These chicken lettuce wraps are crunchy, healthy, and fast to make. Come with me and I'll show you how to make them. I started with a roasted rotisserie chicken, and so that way you don't have to cook. I've got about 3 cups here, and I'm going to save the rest for chicken salad or tacos or something. So you shred that up just like that. This is going to be slim friendly because there's no buns or anything. We're going to wrap it up in these lettuce. There's 2 or 3 kinds of lettuce that you can get. Green leaf, Butterhead, or Boston lettuce is flat, and you can make wraps out of them. This is about a half a cup of shredded carrots, already shredded. You can get it in the store, and we're going to dump that in there. So this is convenient too, and it's 1/2 cup of chestnuts, water chestnuts, and you just barely chop them up like this. It's so fast and easy. This is optional. Green onions chopped up fine, if you like green onions. And so we're going to put, I think this is like 1/3 cup or something like that. We're going to put some in there. You can add more if you like it. And then I mixed up the 1/3 cup of Asian dressing. And this is Asian sesame seed with ginger and soy. And you just shake it up and you put 1/3 in a cup, and then you put 1/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt and just mix it up. It smells delicious. And then we're going to pour it over the chicken. I'm going to mix it. Now I did rinse off my lettuce and flattened it, and then patted it dry with a paper towel. You don't want water running down your arm. You could put peanuts in this if you want to. I've got white and dark meat in this one. We got that all mixed up. Now it's time to make the wraps. You just lay it down. Now there was a kind of like a thick vein right here. I kind of took a pair of scissors and kind of took it out. You kind of like fold it up like this. Then we're going to top it with red pepper flakes, just a tad. Or if you like a lot of heat, then you can put more on there. We're just going to start off with a tad. And then we got some chow mein crunchy noodles that we're going to sprinkle on here to give it a little crunch. And that's all there is to it. And I made some extra sauce for dipping, and it has the same stuff in it, just the sauce and the plain yogurt. I've made them. Aren't those pretty? And they're so light, and just you didn't heat your kitchen up. That's just the main thing. You just take it, get the crunchies there, wrap it. It's good. Those noodles, give it a crunch. That chicken is so moist and tender. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. It's a winner. Chicken dinner. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching my videos. And as always, God bless.